This one is alligator. Yes, and we need to do this activity. For this activity, we need this page. You can see here capital letter A, 2 eyes and teeth. Yes, you can see here capital letter A, 2 eyes and teeth. And what we need to do? We need to cut eyes, teeth and capital letter A. And I have already done. You can see here this one, capital letter A, and here we have 2 eyes. Yes, and here we have teeth. And what we need to do now? We will get a blank page. Yes, we need a blank page, and I will put some gum. You can see here I have gum stick, and I am going to put some gum on it like this. Yes, and I need to place it here like this. Yes, you can see. Okay, now I take one eye. I will take one eye and I will put some gum and place it here. Yes, it's very simple. Okay, and now second eye. Second eye here. Very good. Now we have here teeth. Yes, we have here alligator teeth. And what we need to do, we need to place them here like this. 1, 2, and 3. The third one here. Okay. 4. The fourth one here. We need to place here fourth one, and fifth one here, and the last one here. It's very simple. You can see we have done. This one is alligator. What letter is this? A. The letter A sound is a. And the word is alligator. Alligator. And we have done this activity. I will see you soon with the next letter, with the next activity. Till then, bye bye.